Welcome back, people. In this video, we will learn about decision statements in JavaScript. We use decision statement to perform a particular job based on a condition. We have three different type of decision statements. The first one is if statement, the second one is switch, and the third one is ternary operator. So in if, we have three type of if statement. First one is the if statement itself. Second one is if statement along with the else statement. The third one is if statement, elif statement, and else statement all together. The next one is switch statement. So this is the basic syntax of a switch statement, and the third one is a ternary operator. This is the basic syntax of a ternary operator. Let's look at if statement now. So the basic syntax is as follows. If an expression or the condition is given, if the condition is true, then the true block gets executed. If the condition gets false, then the else blocks get executed. If we have multiple conditions, then we can use elif. So if the first condition is true, then the true block for if will be activated or executed. If the second condition is true, then the block for elif will be executed. If both are not true, then else block will be executed. So let's look at an example for if statement. So this is a simple example of a if else statement. Let's save this first and open the terminal. Run this now. You get true as output because the first block, that is the first code block of the if statement, gets executed because 10 is greater than 5. If we change the values here, let's say 11, and save this and execute it again, you will get false as output because the condition is false, so the else block get executed. The next type of statement is switch statement. So the basic syntax is switch, expression or condition is given here, and we have multiple cases over here inside the code block. So let's look at an example to understand this better. Let's clear this first. JavaScript switch statement is used to execute one code from multiple expressions. It is just like if-else statement, but it can be used with numbers, characters, etc. So in this example, we are using character. So we gave the value for grade variable as b and passing the variable grade to the switch statement. So the variable grade will get matched to the case b because the value of grade is b, and the result will be printed as b grade. So let's run this now. Save first. Go here and run this. You get b grade as result. So in this example, we have two options, A and B. If both are not true, then the default statement gets executed. You will get no grade as output. So let's say we have C here and run this again. Save this first and run this again. You get no grade as output. So what you have to remember here is using the break statement is very important because switch statement is fall through, which means if there is no break statement, then every case following the activated case will be evaluated. Another thing you have to remember here is that JavaScript is case sensitive. So the input or the value being passed to the switch statement and the case value must be the same case. We can also use dot to lowercase function or to uppercase function to convert the value as per our need. Next, we will look at the ternary operator. The syntax of ternary operator is as follows: condition, question mark, value if true, colon, value if false. So if the condition is true, then the code immediately next to the question mark will get executed. If the condition is false, then the code immediately next to the colon will get executed. So let's look at an example for this. So now let's run this. Since the mark is greater than 40, we get pass as output. So let's change this to 30, save, and run it again. Since the condition is false, you get fail as output. So I hope you would have understood three types of decision statements: the if, switch, and ternary operator. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to Supporting Tech.